All right, I'm here to show you some of my current favorite Lift the Flap books. Um, One of my all-time favorites, of course, is the Peep Inside series. This one is about the farm, so I like the size of this book. The flaps are really fun. There's more of the story underneath all of the flaps, and it's just really cute. I like the farm one because it's talking about the farm, and it's also educational. It talks about like foods that grow under the ground and what's growing inside the pods. So just kind of a really cute one, and I like that there's flaps on every page, and again, it's a board book, so it's more durable. There's also Peep Inside Nighttime right here that's really cute. Um, One of my favorite ones for like babies and toddlers is the Colors Touchy Feely one. So this one not only has flaps, but it's got touchy feely spots too. And I've talked about the finger trails before that are really good for fine motor control. So this one's just really cute because there are little flaps on every page, but it's good for little fingers because there's lots for them to touch and feel and look at. And the colors are really bright and the illustrations are really fun. So the Colors Playbook is another good one. Um, One of my new favorites is this Lift the Flap number. So I've talked about this Lift the Flap word book before. This is in the same series, and this one is just talking all about numbers. So it's got different flaps corresponding to the different numbers and pictures. Each page has got something different. So this is at the zoo, and it's kind of fun. So you can look at the picture and count the penguins, and then look for the penguin down here, lift the flap, and see if you were right. Oh, yeah, that's the number 6. There are 6 penguins in the picture. There's an on the farm page. And this one is actually really cool. So this page in space, it says match the number on a rocket to the number of spots on a planet. So, okay, so we'd find 5. Okay, let's find the planet that has 5 dots on it. You'd look, oh, this one has 5. Let's flip it over to see if we were right. Yep, the numbers match, we were right. And then along the bottom, there's more, which numbers are missing from the countdown. So 10, 9, flip it over, 8. And so the pages are just really fun and interactive. There's different scenarios on every page, and they're really engaging, and there's tons of different ways you could read them with your kid, and the flaps make it more exciting for them too. So I love this book. It's really educational, and it's great for introducing numbers to your child. Another fun one that's from that exact same series is the Lift the Flap Colors. So it's the same thing, but it's just going through different colors. And so there's questions down here. So who's the tall one in the blue wagon? So it talks about, oh, where's the blue wagon? Oh, it's tall. What animal is tall? Oh, it's a giraffe. There's the Magic Forest. Again, same thing. Find these in the forest and then say which color each is. So here's the fox. Find it in the forest and then say what color it is. There's the busy town. There's monkey mixing. So this is talking about color mixing, which is fun. And color counting. So these books are really educational and super fun for younger kids because that's one of the biggest questions I get is which Lift the Flap book is great for kids that are just a little bit younger. So these are some great picks for younger kids. As they get a little bit older and start asking more questions, the question and answers is one of my favorite series again. So this one is question and answers about our world. So each page has a different question, and then there's more specific questions on the flaps. So like where? Where is the South Pole? Where is the hottest place on earth? Then you can lift the flap to find the answer. Where is the tallest waterfall? Or what? What makes a volcano erupt? What's inside the earth? So really educational, answers lots of questions. This one is about our world. There's lots in this series as well. This one here is dinosaurs. There's lots in the question and answer series. So that one's fun for kids that ask lots of questions. And then of course the Sea Inside series. So this one is Sea Under the Sea. And again, there are tons of flaps on every page. And this one doesn't have questions on the flaps, but it just has more kind of information. So this one's talking about buried treasure under the water, and then there's little flaps that you can lift that kind of tell more about the story. This one's talking about tropical waters, cold as ice, and then this one is deeper and deeper. So really fun book. Oh, here we go. I knew it flipped out. Really fun book. Again, for kids that ask questions, and it has lots of flaps to help keep kids engaged and entertained. So there's just some of my favorite Lift the Flap books.